Welcome to this video on removing duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So just a quick one now. I just want to walk through the process where I would get rid of any duplicates in my list here. And I've got a real basic one. What I need to do before I start the process is I need to select that information. So I'm just going to select all of that data. Don't worry if you select the headers. I can tell the function that headers are there and it will ignore them. So when I've done that, I need to go to the Data tab in the ribbon at the top. And when I do, if I go just right of the middle in the text to columns section, if I hover over this one, you can see it says remove duplicates. And if I press that, it's going to ask me what information I'm looking at. So it says my list has headers and it's ticked, that's absolutely fine. And then it's ticked all of the detail. So I've got everything selected. If I was just looking at the first name or I was just looking at the second name column, then I would need to remove some ticks, but I want to make sure I'm getting rid of anyone with the exact same name. So it needs to look in both columns and make sure it's identified any duplicates across both columns. And I'm going to click OK. So it's found 2 duplicate values. They've been removed and I've now got 16 on there. So it's just given me a little bit of a warning. Now I created that data so I knew I had 2 duplicate first name and last names over the exact same name. So that's worked really, really well. So a really quick function there where you can just clean up your data and get rid of any duplicates. So give that one a go. Please like and subscribe and also check out the rest of the videos in this channel.